dear students, welcome back to our online classes for second unit test. I hope you all must have done well in your first term examinations. Today we are going to start with the syllabus of our second unit test, which I am going to share on your screen. Maintain your notebooks and books regularly and up to date. Do not keep your work pending. Continue with the same notebooks. And listen to the videos regularly, properly until the end. Today we are going to start with English 2. Yes, we will do a very interesting poem, My Garden. My Garden. My Garden, page number 66. My garden. Yes, children, what is garden? Garden is a piece of ground in a house where we grow flowers and vegetables. Piece of ground in a house where we grow flowers and vegetables. Students, note down the meaning of garden. Piece of ground in a house where we grow flowers and vegetables. Start reading the poem with me. This is my garden. I will plant it with care. Here are the seeds I will plant in there. The sun will shine, the rain will fall, the seeds will sprout and grow up tall. Plant means to put seed in the ground. To put seed in the ground. Care means to look after. Sprout means shoot of a plant. Plants will come out from the seeds. Once again we'll recite the poem together. This is my garden, I will plant it with care. Here are the seeds I will plant in there. The sun will shine, the rain will fall. The seeds will sprout and grow up tall. This poem, My Garden, is about nature. Nature means everything in the world that was not made by man, like mountains, plants. The writer is talking about his garden. He is saying, this is my garden, I will plant it with care. He is saying that he will plant or seed things with very care in his small garden. Here are the seeds. He has seeds. I will plant in there and he will sow them in the ground. The sun will shine, the rain will fall. With the help of the sunlight and rain, the seeds will sprout. The seeds will sprout and grow up tall. The seeds will sprout or come out with and will grow up. Daily he can see his garden, how the plants are growing up and the flower or fruit is coming out. Students, you can take a small pot and sprinkle some seeds in it. Water it daily, keep it in sunlight. You will feel very happy to see the seeds sprouting out and plants growing up day by day. Part A, number the sentences. Number the sentences means you have to find the lines from the poem and mark them according to the sequence. First one has been done for you. I will plant a seed. Number one is I will plant a seed. Number 2, the last line, the sun will shine. Number 2, right there, the sun will shine. Number 3 is, the rain will fall. Number 3, the rain will fall. Number 4, the seed will sprout. Number 4, the seed will sprout. And the last is, the plant will grow tall. The plant will grow tall. Once again, I'll repeat for you. Number 1 is, I will plant a seed. Number 2, the sun will shine. Then number 3, the rain will fall. Number 4, the seed will sprout. And the last is, the plant will grow tall. Number B, read aloud with your teacher. Children, you will read these words, learn the spellings. It can come in the form of fill-ups. Place, plan, pluck, plums, scale, scar, score, scarf, skate, skin, skip, sky, slate, slice, slip, slow, fly, flag, flood, floor, glass, glow, glad, glide. Move to part C. Circle the names of fruits you like to eat. Circle the names of fruits you like to eat. There are many fruits. You have to circle only those fruits which you like to eat. Mango, papaya, kiwi, pineapple, strawberry, banana, apple, orange, grapes, melon. Now circle the favorite fruits. First one, mango, M-A-N-G-O. Then kiwi, K-I-W-I. Then banana, B-A-N-A-N-A. Next is apple, A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Next is grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S. Part D. Circle the names of vegetables you like to eat. Circle the names of vegetables you like to eat. Brinjal, spinach, cabbage, pumpkin, potato, cauliflower, corn, peas. First one, circle brinjal, B-R-I-N-J-A-L. Then cabbage, C-A-B-B-A-G-E. Then pumpkin, P-U-M-P-K-I-N. Potatoes, P-O-T-A-T-O. Cauliflower, C-A-U-L-I-F-L-O-W-E-R. Cauliflower. Learn these names and learn the spellings. Students, take out your English 2 notebooks. English 2 notebooks and start writing. Date, page number 67. Second unit test on the first line. Name of the poem, My Garden. M capital and G for garden, capital G-A-R-D-E-N. Question is, write the names of 5 fruits. Write W-R-I-T-E, write T-H-E, the, N-A-M-E-S, names, O-F, of, F-I-V-E, 5, fruits, F-R-U-I-T-S, fruits. Answer 1 is mango, M-A-N-G-O, M capital. Number 2, banana, B-A-N-A-N-A, B capital, banana. Number 3, grapes, G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes. Number 4, apple, A-P-P-L-E, A capital, A-P-P-L-E. Number 5, last one is melon, M capital, M-E-L-O-N, melon, M-E-L-O-N, melon. Once again, check your answers. Number 1 is mango, number 2 banana, number 3 grapes, number 4 apple, number 5 is melon. Learn the spellings well. Next question is, write the names of 5 vegetables. W-R-I-T-E, write the names, N-A-M-E-S, names of five, F-I-V-E, five vegetables, 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 full stop. Answer first is peas, Peas, P capital. Number 2 is potato, P capital, Potato, potato. Number 3, cabbage, C capital, Cabbage, cabbage. Number 4, cauliflower, Cauliflower, cauliflower. C capital. Number 5 is pumpkin, 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 P capital. Once again, I'll repeat the words: peas, potato, cabbage, cauliflower, and pumpkin. Learn the spellings well, and first letter will be capital. Recite the poem again and again, learn it well, and complete your work in book and notebook. Take care and stay safe and healthy. Thank you.